Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Sean Buttercut. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Deluxe True Wireless Free Earbuds. They got a premium sound with portable charging case. They are Bluetooth, as you can see in the right hand corner. As you guys can tell, these look like the exact duplicate of the AirPods. As you guys can see, it's got the one AirPod, the other AirPod, and then the charging case that looks the exact same size as the actual AirPod case. So I thought I would pick this up, kind of give you a little bit of an unboxing and kind of like my thoughts on it. And obviously I'm going to show you guys what the difference is and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's get this bad boy open. And it'll be open in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so we opened up the box. There's completely nothing left in there. So this is all what's in the box. The directions, obviously, I might have to read up on those later. So pretty much what it is just the case. Let's get this case out. Looks like the actual AirPod case and everything. Open it, it snaps just like the AirPod case. It literally looks like a duplicate. I'm not gonna lie. Everything from the case to the charging port, it is actually it's actually an iPhone charging port. Huh. That's interesting. And then let's get out the earbuds. Of course. Alright. Obviously you guys could tell. Honestly, without looking at them, you can't tell that they're fake. But if you get really close up, you can tell that they're fake. One thing, obviously, if you guys do have the Apple AirPods, obviously the Apple AirPods don't have this little button in the middle. But they literally look, whoever made this company, Deluxe, you guys really nailed it. The box is literally the same size as the charging case, like actual AirPods. The AirPods, I think this part right here where my thumb is, I think it's smaller. I could be wrong. But you honestly couldn't tell from afar. It would literally look like you have Apple AirPods. And the other thing that I didn't realize is that it actually has its own charging port, or that it's actually an Apple charging port, which I was actually kind of surprised. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, the case obviously it looks exactly the same. Obviously, if it was the real Apple AirPods, green lights would be, as you open up the case, there would be green lights in here and everything. Obviously, it is a duplicate, obviously. But if you notice from afar, you couldn't tell these are fake. They literally look like the actual thing. But you cannot tell these are fake. Honestly. The Deluxe, you actually did an absolute job on the replica of the AirPods. They are absolutely just gorgeous. If you guys want to go pick one of these up, I got these at Staples for 15 bucks. Not bad. They have you can get the case and the AirPods in different colors. They got, when I looked, they had the camo, different types of design, but I just went with the pure white since that's what everybody was going with. And my thoughts, I'm actually surprised that it actually came with an Apple cord. I'm literally not gonna lie, which is actually kind of surprising. But yeah, guys, that is it. And obviously the charging port goes right there. I'm definitely probably going to use these in school and like when I'm out and about instead of using my other ones. I mean, I'm still going to use my other ones, but like I'm probably going to use these more since like everybody has these. Alright guys, that is my review on the True Wireless Deluxe Bluetooth earbuds. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you give me a big fat one of those. And also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And also hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload, because guys, I had a lot of other videos guys coming that you guys do not want to miss. Especially tomorrow's video. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you guys are definitely going to be just flat out amazed by tomorrow's video. Also, if you haven't already, go down there in the description. It will be all my social media. Go drop a follow on all of my social media to stay up with everything that's going on in my life. And also, down in the comment section, let me know what you guys think of the video. And let me know what you guys think tomorrow's video is going to be, because it's going to be absolutely insane. So, if you guys like this video, like I said, drop a big fat like, hit that subscribe button, because we are trying to get to 300 subscribers. So let's do it with this video, guys. You already know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Doses.